So at this point, we are done with zipping the file. You can clearly see it here. It's already zipped. So the advantage of this zipping is it's going to make it possible for those who buy this beat to get access to those raw individual file. That is the sound of the keyboard, the sound of the piano, the hit hat, the drum, so that they can fine tune it to their own taste. So that is the beauty of the whole thing. So if you can't do everything from scratch, it's going to be a bit complex. You can make friends with people who already know how to do it. Then you take charge of handling the online aspect, where you do the sales and the promotion for them. You get your own share, they also get their own share. You see, it's called drop servicing. This is a multi-billion-dollar advice you're supposed to pay me for, but you are enjoying it for free now. So after this, we will now put a title, come back to our file that is being uploaded. You see, it's done uploading. So we'll put our title, put the BPM. The BPM is already in the original file. If you are the one doing it, it's going to be on your FS Studio or whatever software you are using. Or if your friend, the friend can check it and give you the file. Look at it. This is the track, hip hop. It's a Chris Brown type of beat. So we'll put in all the relevant information. In this case, we'll continue. So after we select the mode, it's going to tell us the type of mode of the song. The next thing we'll do is we'll come here, we'll select the tags. So what are the tags we are looking at? We are going to be using Chris Brown as our tag. We want Chris Brown to see it. We see Chris Brown here. We'll go to the next one. I'm going to put Post Melon. They said maximum of 3. So at this point, I've put in enough hashtag to my satisfaction. I've followed this point. So the next thing we'll move next further is we are going to be putting our artwork at this particular point. I'll select an artwork from here. Go to my download folders. Look at it, hip hop R&B. I'm going to pick one. You can see the money is, yes, fully ready. So the artwork is ready. So the next stage, I'll click save. So they say drop on tag version. I don't have on tag version. I'll forget about it for now. So it is done. You can see the money fully set. I'll go back to the beat again. Click return to beat. So you can see everything is done. Completing the process, I'll now click this track out. You don't have a track out, so the track out is going to be talking about this particular zip file I showed you guys earlier. Look at it, this zip file. So I'm going to add it now when it is done. So as a startup, they have given me a default price. You can see 30, 50 and 100. So in my own case, I will not go with their own price. I want to put my own price since I'm just starting. I want to get people's attention, so I'll go with 20. Then I'll go with 30 here. No, the premium will be 50. And then the unlimited will be 70, just as a way of bonus for startup. Then I'll click save. I'm not picking exclusive because exclusive, it means I'm giving them full right. I don't want to give anybody full right to my beat yet. So this is it. So it's fully set. So I'll come to track out. They say you don't have track out yet, so I'm going to pick the track again. We'll go back to adjust the track out now. So remember, the track out is going to be that compressed file. So look at it, they said files and track out. I click track out here. So you see it's telling me URL and the rest of them. So we have other options here. You can pick a link. Maybe you have it on your Google Drive. You can put the Google Drive here, or any other link, or YouTube, or whatsoever. Or you can decide to come here and click upload now. So it's giving me the platform now. It's saying new. Okay, I'll now click new. You start drag on tag now. I'll come here. I'll now drag this and drop it here. So in case that option didn't work for you, here is another option again. You go to your Gmail account, go to your Google Drive, you come down, you click Google Drive. So inside your Google Drive, you can decide to upload your file into this any folder. Click new, you click upload, you click upload. So this is the folder. We will now pick the particular zip file. You see it is uploading here. In the next few minutes it will be done. So now that our file is done uploaded, we'll click it. So we'll click share. So look at it, we'll change it to anyone with a link. We'll copy, we'll click done. At this point, our trackler, our files, you can see they are fully ready now. So the next thing we'll do is we'll come to this very file, the file we've uploaded, that is on our platform. Come down, we'll click where we say track out. So we are going to put in the zip file here, put in the link. Then we can decide to put a password or not. Now in case, let's put a password 1 2 3 4. So the file password is okay. We'll click save. Once the person buys it or purchases the track, the password will be delivered to him or her. So this is it. It's saved now. So everything is done. You can see Our trackout is there. We can share it on any other platform. We can post to social media, and I'm going to show you some extra stuff that you need to know on this particular platform. When I come to the very track again, if I come up, so on this particular place, you see bit details. You can see the details. So everything is done. Our track is fully ready. Let's see the price. We are confirming every information. Okay, everything is set. Okay, let's come here. Visibility. Okay, you can make it private or public. In our own case, we are leaving it public. So social media, you can see post to social media. You can add your social media handle here, your YouTube, your TikTok. And the good thing there is they will generate a footprint for your file, so that if anybody uses it without your permission, the person will be given a copyright notification. So this is it, even Facebook and the rest of them. So you can see, you can come here and add them all. Then this file, okay. So everything is done. At this point, we are done. Our track is fully loaded. It's ready for sale. So we can go on any social media platform now, begin to post about this track and use our link. If you want to share it, we come to this point that says share link. You click share. You can see this are the various link. Copy this very one. You can go to any platform now, whether Facebook, TikTok, and the rest of them. Talk about the beat and then share it to people. So let me save it here for now. So you can see the link for it is safe here. So I can even attach it. If I'm a blogger, I can even copy this link, send it to a blogger, so that the blogger will promote it on his or her own platform. If I have my own blogging platform, I can promote it using this particular link too. Or I can send it directly to people through Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and the rest of them, for them to get to see it. So when you come to this other site, you can explore other features, social media, my sales, my tools, monetization, and the rest of them, even inside. I'm going to show you how you set up your payment now, for you to receive your payment in the event you start selling.